We'll get a snack soon. Hold on. Hold on. What the hell is that?
Oh man, 2 packages from Ariel Fryer. Hell yeah, let's go. Hey Rusty.
All right, so if I'm not mistaken, this should be our new short saddle and rear rack. It's awesome because now we'll each have a short saddle since we're short riders. So let's open it up and make sure that's what it is. Who knows, maybe Ariel Rider is sending me my new 52 volt X class in pieces, which I wouldn't mind at all. Absolutely. New short saddle. Rear rack with the mounting screws. Love it. We're gonna slap these on and then we'll show you how they look.